Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly find posts you've liked on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier to track your activity, including your likes, in just a few clicks. Let's walk through exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personal activity data. Once you're on the main screen, look to the bottom left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those. This will open up the main menu where you can access different settings and features. From there, find and click on your activity. This section is where Instagram stores everything related to how you interact with the platform, from time spent to content you've engaged with. Inside your activity, look for the interaction section. Click on it and then select likes. This will bring up a list of all the posts you've liked over time. Now, here's where the new update really helps. At the top of the screen, click on Sort and Filter. This option allows you to narrow down your liked posts based on a specific time period. Choose the date range you're interested in. Whether you're looking for something you liked last week or months ago, this feature makes it super easy to find. After selecting your preferred period, click Apply. Instagram will instantly update the list and show only the posts that match your chosen time frame. And that's it. You can now quickly locate any liked content without endless scrolling. This feature is especially useful if you're trying to revisit inspiration, find a post you forgot to save, or just explore your past activity more efficiently.